Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell to all so you can get notified of all the videos that I drop on this channel. In today's video, I have some JOSLOVE nail art gel liners. These are gorgeous, y'all. This is a 12 color kit you guys can get on Amazon using my 20% off discount code. It is 20 Babygirl. I will link it here on the screen and in my description box. I do have them all swatched right here. You get a rainbow of colors. They are all very thick. They're very pigmented. They're very beautiful. As you can see, you get your gold and your silver, and then you get all the colors of the rainbow and in between. I'm also going to be showing you guys how I did the long set and how I did the short set. There's going to be clips of each of me doing both. The longer set is going to be the harder graffiti, and then the short set will be the easy graffiti. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started in today's video. Good Lord, help. we're going to be applying these nails. Make sure you have your cuticles pushed back. Everything is prepped and ready. I will put my prep steps on the right hand side of the screen. I, however, am going in with a peel off base coat. I'm going to be using my peel off base coat by Couture. Let me tell you, when you're ready, all you have to do is literally pop them off and they will come off. I'm also going to be showing you another way to apply press on nails. Have them last 2+ weeks. You want to make sure your peel off base is dry before we go into the next step. The next step, of course, is applying the nails. Went ahead and applied these using the same method that I'm going to be using. So that is this side. You're going to get an acrylic brush. I'm using my number 6 by Couture. This is his new Lunar New Year acrylic brushes. They are awesome, you guys. Awesome. I got some new acrylic liquid, and this is EMA. It's by the Purple Phoenix Nail Supply. bestmonomer.com. I'll leave a link. I'm gonna get some clear acrylic or whatever. It doesn't have to be clear, but recommended. You would go in with the acrylic after you have your primer on the nail. Don't forget, after the primer is on the nail, you're gonna dip into your acrylic, place your bead of acrylic on here. Now, I'm not gonna go over the whole nail just because I am popping these off. You're gonna go ahead and press the nail down into that acrylic, and it's gonna adhere to the primer. It's gonna set to that primer. You can flip it over and make sure nothing is coming out the underside. Press and hold it until it sticks. Once it's sticking, you can go ahead and move to the next nail. So again, you're gonna take your acrylic liquid. You're gonna grab a bead. You're gonna go ahead and place it on the nail. And you can move it around, shape it to your nail. Now remember, if you are using a sculpted nail, it needs to be more acrylic. That way it'll touch the nail. You can see it connect to the nail. You're gonna flip it, make sure it's touching your natural nail. If you have anything on the side, go ahead and get it off. You're gonna hold that in place. Just gonna get a little bead here. I'm just gonna put it right there. You're gonna take your nail. You're gonna see it connect to the press on. You're gonna see it spread over your nail plate. You're gonna flip it, make sure it is connected to your natural nail. If you have anything to clean up, go ahead and clean it up. Again, grab some clear acrylic. Set it down on the nail. You can smooth it out on your nail if you'd like. Grab your nail. Grab your press on. Go ahead, press that down onto the acrylic. Hold it. Just keep holding it until you feel that it's attached. Grab the acrylic. Place it on the nail. Whoops. Oh, that was real cute, dum-dum. Grab the nail before it hardens. Pressing that down onto the acrylic, holding it in place. I have saw people do the acrylic method for press-ons, and they have lasted weeks. So there you go. There you go, you guys. There are my nails. That has a hair. So there are my, now you can't really get a good look at my name, which sadly sucks, but there you go. That is my graffiti. I don't want to kind of move them like this because if I do, it's going to pop off because of the peel off base. So we're going to do it like this. So would you guys rock these? These cute little like pop graffiti art nails? Or would you guys rock these if it was your name? Just pretend it's your name. And let me know what you guys think. Did I do a pretty good job? Let me know in the comment section down below. And remember, they do glow in the dark, so let's get a sneak peek of that. You guys, once again, that is that Rosalind glow in the dark gel polish that I used for Femi Beauty's nails. And that is what they look like. There you guys go. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know with the comment section down below what you guys think of this set. I had a lot of fun. Absolutely loved the JOSLOVE liners. They are awesome. You guys definitely go check them out. I am going to give the JOSLOVE gel liners 5 Babygirl nails. Thank you to the JOSLOVE company for sending them to me for review. Sending you guys lots of love and light. And I'll see y'all in the next video. God bless. Bye.